The following portion of Bloom is sponsored by Vein911 Vein Treatment Centers.
There's a world-renowned, award-winning vein care center here in Tampa Bay where top athletes and people from around the world fly to for specialized treatment. Meet the doctor who heads up Vein911 Vein Treatment Centers. I'm at Vein911 Vein Treatment Centers with interventional radiologist and vascular surgeon Dr. Chris Pittman. And man, your office is amazing. Thanks for having me.
Gail, great to see you again. Thanks for coming out to our casa here at Vein911 Vein Treatment Centers. Yes, we're a world-renowned, award-winning center. I know it sounds just like anyone can say that, but we truly are award-winning and world-renowned.
That is awesome, and we're so lucky to have you right here in the Tampa Bay area. So talk to me about venous insufficiency.
Everybody knows what a varicose vein is. It's a bulging vein on the skin, but the truth is half of people with lifestyle limiting symptoms in their legs have no bulging varicose vein. So I don't like to refer to what I do as fixing varicose veins because we're going to miss half the patients. So venous insufficiency is really where our valves and our veins fail, and when they fail, the blood goes the wrong way. So I often introduce myself as Dr. Pittman. I'm the plumber guy because vein disease, that's what it is. It's a leak in the attic, flood in the basement. What we see and feel is from about here down, but the problems start from the groin down. And vein disease causes all sorts of symptoms. It's the leading cause of ankle swelling in this country. 3 out of 4 people that come through my office door have detectable swelling. It's a leading cause of restless legs, which affects 8% of Americans. It's the leading cause of night cramps. So that's why I try not to talk so much about varicose veins, because we're going to miss a lot of suffering patients out there. And they're not getting the answers from their physicians. I don't believe neurologists typically refer to a vein doctor, but our leading referrer is a neurologist who actually, I cured his restless legs. He didn't even know that was possible.
I'm sure there are people that aren't making these connections. I mean, they might think that it's, you know, doesn't look good physically, but what it does to your overall health, I didn't realize so much was attached to that. What does the treatment protocol look like?
The treatment protocol is walk in, walk out. There are 0 limitations in this office. Now I'm talking about the world-renowned award-winning place. There are 0 limitations. We have people fly in and fly out. There are no travel restrictions. The only lifestyle change generally is thigh-high compression hose. That's it. It will take anywhere from 3 to 5 sessions to fix a single leg, and then if we're still friends, we go to the other leg. Which is my dumb joke, because we're always still friends.
I like your joke, and your patients love you. In fact, we heard from one, so let's hear what he had to say.
I thought it was just tight legs. You know, I used to be a college athlete growing up and just thought it was muscular. What was funny is after the very first treatment, I thought I was cured. I said, Dr. Pittman, you've taken care of it. He said, oh no, we're not done yet. From there, and then we went to the next phase of treatment, and again, just incredible change. Dr. Pittman's world-renowned, people flying from all across the country, and I was just very lucky to have to drive 15 minutes down the road to see a world-class physician and an expert.
So it's incredible the impact this simple treatment has on someone's overall lifestyle.
It is incredible to think that something like vein disease can affect the entire body, or what we call a patient's constitution, but it really can affect their entire body. And things like restless legs and night cramps, that affects people's sleep. And so when people come in with those symptoms and we're able to get rid of them, very satisfying. It changes their lives.
Yeah, we're really lucky to have Dr. Pittman and Vein911 right here in the Tampa Bay area. They also have locations in Palm Harbor, Wesley Chapel, and Boca Raton. You can receive a free virtual vein evaluation by a Vein911 vein care specialist by scanning the QR code or by visiting vein911.com, or pick up the phone right now and call 855-834-6911. We'll be back with more Bloom right after this.
The preceding portion of Bloom was sponsored by Vein911 Vein Treatment Centers.